Hello crafty friends, it's Erica, Scrapdivatwentynine. Welcome back to my channel. I'm coming out today with some more happy mail. This happy mail is from Lynn Knoble. Thank you so much. This is unexpected. I'm not really sure what she sent. I just opened up the box, so I wanted to open it up and share with you guys. Here is the note. Let me just read it really quick. Hi Erica, I just wanted you to know, I want you to know your daughter and her health concerns are in my prayers. There is nothing harder as a parent than watching a child go through pain. I watched a video of yours a while back and saw you hauled this paper pack and you wanted another one. I hope you enjoy it. Just a way for me to thank you for all the time you spend doing the videos. I really enjoy them. Best wishes and prayers for you and your family, Lynn K. Oh my gosh, thank you so much, Lynn. Oh my gosh, thank you so much. Here is a card for my daughter, and I will let her open that up. So thank you so much for sending a card for her. And then, oh, this paper pad right here. Yes, the Hello Winter. I love this paper pad, and I had started playing with the one I purchased, but I really do love it, and I am so happy to have another set for backup. So thank you, thank you. Merry Christmas. God bless you. And I truly appreciate you supporting my channel. It really means a lot to me. All right. Thanks for watching, and I will talk to you guys soon in my next video. Bye for now.